Hey guys, Scott here, and today I'm in my home garage. As you can see behind me, I have my white street bike up on a stand, and I have two new tires that need to be spooned on. Most of the work is manual, but I will need a compressor to be able to fill the tires quickly and set the beads. So the compressor I actually have here in my home shop is the Eastwood 30-gallon compressor. It's going to be a 1.9 horsepower, and the reason I chose this compressor is because it plugs into 110. Like many of you, I don't have 220, but I still wanted a respectable compressor. This thing puts out 7 CFM at 40 PSI and puts out 5.7 at 90. So it's going to be able to run the majority of all your air tools. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and get to work on this bike. So as you guys can see, the tires are on the bike, I'm ready to go for a ride, and I couldn't have done it without the compressor. It made my life so much easier. For more information on this compressor or be able to purchase it, you can click or tap the button in the corner, or you can follow the link that appears on screen.